Hi everyone, I am Harshwardhan Dossa, and I would just like to take you through my journey as a chartered accountant. To begin with, I started my CA journey actually in the 12th standard when I joined Niraj Sir's classes. At that point of time, I was very unsure what I wanted to do with my career, whether I wanted to do CA or whether I did not want to do CA. And somehow Niraj Sir, managed to convince me to do CA, and I can forever I'm going to be grateful for that because he convinced me to do CA and I actually did CA and I became a chartered accountant. And today, as a matter of fact, I'm working in statutory audit, and simultaneously I also teach with him in his classes at Shesh Educare. And one thing that I'm really grateful to Niraj Sir is whenever we were taught anything in class, it was taught always with such great conceptual clarity. And the conceptual clarity is such that it is not just that it will be helpful for our exams. Even in our life, whenever we want to apply such concepts, they are extremely helpful. And the prime example of that is you can see is that what I'm doing right now. Today I have joined Niraj Sir also as a faculty, and I teach also part-time with him at Shesh Educare. Today the concepts that I have learned in Shesh classes or with Niraj Sir have actually helped me perform my statutory audits practically as well. Not only that, with that conceptual clarity, I have been able to also teach, and I often even try to copy Niraj Sir, you can say, when I'm teaching simultaneously. So this is the incident that had happened. Initially, I paid my SYGC plus CPT fees. At that point of time, it was CPT, and for some reason, I decided that I did not want to take up CA. So I took refund of the fees, and somehow Niraj Sir found out that I had taken refund of the fees. There was this accounts lecture that was going on. In the middle of the lecture, Niraj Sir just pointed at me and made me stand up. Stand up. You took refund of fees? I said, yes, sir. Like, you don't want to do CA? I said, no, sir, I don't want to do. He's like, why? I'm like, sir, I don't know, I just don't want to do. And Niraj Sir, typical in his voice, he's like, तू CA करेगा, तू CA बनेगा. And at that point of time also, honestly, I never believed him that I would somehow come back to CA or I would do CA. And somehow he convinced me, and day after day, day in day out, he used to tell me, "तू CA करेगा, तू CA बनेगा." And that actually 6 months later, I paid the fees and I gave my first CPT attempt in December. And from there on, it was pretty much a smooth ride. Today students feel that CA is such a difficult course, CA so this, CA so that, we have to give up our social life, we have to give up everything, we have to stop going to movies, we have to stop watching our TV shows. It is not that. You see, there is always part and parcels of life. Today, if you don't work hard for anything, then you will never realize what struggle is, you will never be able to enjoy success as much as you do. In CA also, there will be times where you will be working very hard, you will be struggling, you may feel down. But believe me, when you become a chartered accountant, when you actually see the results at the end of the day, it is amazing. The way people look at you, the way people talk at you, people look at you and expect answers. Nobody will look at you and just expect that you will have problems. They will come to you with their problems so that you can solve their problems and give answers to them. Finally, my message to all of you all would be, especially as CA students, the conceptual clarity that you will receive here at Shesh classes, which will help you study with complete ease. We will ensure that you have complete clarity and support right till your exams and even after your exams. Thank you everyone.